Okay, so now we reach to application framework, that component which most of the applications interact directly, and this application framework contains
Sorry for interrupting you once
three major
again.
components.
Your voice is again
Yes,
very low, and people are unable to hear
very
you.
low, is it?
Now all of the sudden it has become good.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's better now.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's much
Okay,
better.
great.
Thanks.
Okay, so in application framework we have many components. One of the very important component of application framework is activity manager. This is the component which actually manages life cycle of the applications and gives us a common backstack for navigation. So we are going to look more deeper into this in further slides. We have got package manager, which essentially holds information about various applications loaded in the system. At times, applications may need information about other applications, and package manager is going to help us in that. We have got something like resource manager, which gives us access to non-code resources such as localized strings or various other we can have layouts. So many resources we can have in the form of PNG, BMP as well as XML. So resource manager helps us to get access to those non-code resources. We have got content provider, which is extremely important component of application framework. This gives us access to the data from other applications, for example contacts, or to share their own data. As we discussed briefly earlier, that every application is running in its own process. So one application does not have access to the process area of another application. But if they want to exchange data among each other, they can achieve it through content providers. We have got notification manager, which helps us to display custom alerts on status bar. This notification manager is primarily important in case of broadcast receivers. We are going to look at what is a broadcast receiver. So it helps us to display various kinds of alerts on status management. We have something like location managers, which handles information about the location. And we have telephony manager, which handles information about telephony, which is again, yes, if it is using GSM telephony or some other kind of telephony, there is some dependency on the hardware. So these are the core services which are provided by application framework. Apart from this, there are some more services which need hardware support. For example, you want Bluetooth service, you want Wi-Fi service, USB service, or any sensor. So all these things become hardware dependent. Okay, so now we have reached